respected guest, honorable management, respected teachers and my dear friends. This is Lochna and she is my partner.
And me, Nagavashita.
We are from 8th standard. Today we are stand before you to speak about a small presentation. Let us see. Wow, how beautiful the bird is chirping. This gives peace to mind. This clip shows the beauty of nature and rain sounds. We can hear the sound of water flow also. Wonderful. This instrument is producing very pleasant sound. This gives peace to mind. We thought you have get an idea on what topic we are going to give presentation. Yes, your guess is right. Today we are going to give presentation on topic sound. What is sound? Sound plays an important role in our daily lives. It helps us to communicate with each other. We hear a wide variety of sounds in our surroundings. How sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibrating body. Vibration is nothing but to and fro or back and forth motion of an object. Let us understand through some daily life examples. Bell. If we strike the bell, then it will vibrate and produces sound. Rubber band. Sometimes we play with rubber band. When we pluck that rubber band, then it will vibrate and produces sound. Drum. When we beat the drum, then it will vibrate and produces sound. Let us learn how musical instruments produce sound. Some musical instruments produce sound by their vibrating parts. Let us go through the examples. Veena. This is the picture of Veena. Its vibrating part is stretched string. Sitar. This is the picture of sitar. Its vibrating part is stretched string. Violin. This is the picture of violin. Its vibrating part is stretched string. Tabla. Its vibrating part is stretched membrane. Mridangam. Its vibrating part is stretched membrane. Drum. Its vibrating part is stretched membrane. As well as sannai, flute and mouth organs vibrating part is air column. Does all musical instruments produce sound by their vibrating parts only? No. Some other musical instruments are there. They will produce sound when they are beaten or struck. Let us see examples. Bell. We already know that when we strike that bell, then it will vibrate and produces sound. Gattam. It is made up of clay which is in pot-like structure. This is the picture of Gattam. Jaltarang. As we take same size of bowls and pour different level of water and strike it gently with stick, it will produce very pleasant sound. Manjira. We mostly observe manjiras in temples while bhajanas are going on. Up to now, we learn how musical instruments produce sound. From last 5 minutes onwards, I am giving presentation. That means I am producing sound. How I produce sound? Let's discuss. In humans, sound is produced by voice box. It is also called as larynx. It is at upper end of windpipe. This is the picture of voice box. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box, leaving a narrow slit. This is the picture of vocal cords. This is a narrow slit. When lungs force air through the slit, then it will vibrate and produce sound. I am producing sound, okay. How you hear? How we travel from me to you? Does it require medium to propagate? Yes. Sound require medium to propagate. Sound can travel through solids, liquids and gases. But sound does not travel in a vacuum. Let us see some examples. Sound can travel through the solid thread of can telephone. This is the picture of can telephone. This is a solid thread. A whale listens to the reflected sound in water to locate its prey. This is the picture of whale and this is the prey. We are able to hear the sound because sound can travel through the air.
How can we hear the sound through our ears? This picture shows the anatomy of ear. Sound enters the ear through the ear canal. It makes the eardrum to vibrate. The eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From this the signals go to our brain. Then we can hear the sound. Characteristics of sound waves. The two key characteristics of sound waves are their frequency and amplitude. Frequency. Frequency refers to how fast the waves are vibrate or number of cycles per second, and it measured in Hz determines the pitch of the sound. Let us understand frequency with a wave diagram. This is the time axis. In this time axis, the waves vibrate per 3 cycles and its frequency is 3 Hz. Amplitude. Amplitude refers to the height of the waves from the loudness of the sound. This is the time axis. In this time axis, the waves tells about the loudness of the sound and the center line tells also the loudness. We know that frequency determines the pitch. Let's discuss about the pitch. This is the time axis. In this time axis, the waves vibrate very fastly, means the loudness of the pitch is more. Higher frequency means more waves passing through a point and resulting in a high pitch of a sound, like chirping of a bird. Lower pitch. In this time axis, the waves move slowly. It tells about the lower pitch. Lower frequency means fewer waves passing through a point and resulting in a low pitch of a sound, like beating a drum. Relation between amplitude and loudness. In this time axis, the height of the waves tells about the loudness of the sound. Larger amplitude makes the louder sound as the waves carrying more energy. Softer. In this time axis, the wave's height tells about the softness of the sound. Smaller amplitude results in a softer sound.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.